Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this Yamaha Extreme Wolverine. At least I think it's a Wolverine. I've always liked the headlights on these things. Definitely looks like a Wolverine. Ooh, we got the winch. That's good. Extreme terrain. What do we got for shocks? No name. Real basic. The dump bed. Some usable space. Tie downs. A nice little machine. Got your grab bar. That's a grab bar, all right. That's basic. Alright guys, that's all I got for this. We'll talk to you later.